Okay, this is page 363. We're starting lesson 7.2, evaluating expressions involving exponents. Essentially, we are working on order of operations. And you want to keep in mind PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Is it parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, or subtraction? So we have numerical expressions. These are ones that involve all numbers. No letters yet. That comes in the next section. Evaluate means that we solve and find the solution. We have to use rules called order of operations, which are these right here. Okay, so let's go through. I like you to underline the step you're doing. So when I look at this problem here, I have to follow this and say, okay, here's my exponent, 16. So I write 2 times 8 plus 16. They did it right here. Then we go left to right, and I look here, I have some multiplication first that I have to solve. 16 plus 16, and my final solution is 32. So 32 points. Okay, evaluate the expression. 24 divided by 2 to the third. There are no parentheses, so I'm skipping this step right here. So find the value of these exponents. That means 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Now I'm doing 24 divided by 8, which is 3. So I follow the order of operations. We've done this on Get More Math somewhat. This gets a little more intricate a few times, but we have these on Get More Math, which will really walk you through it. Okay, so here's the expression. I like you to underline the one you're doing. So remember, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, or division, addition, or subtraction, whichever comes first, going left to right. So here I have some parentheses. 13 minus 4 is 9, so it's all rewritten. 72 divided by 9 plus 5 times 2 to the third. So my next step would be to look for exponents. That's 8. I always look this way going left to right for it, multiplication or division. So notice, division comes before multiplication here, so I solve this first. 72 divided by 9 is 8. I start over. Go this way. Oh, here's some multiplication. So 8 plus 40. 8 plus 40 is 48. I'm always working left to right, looking for things in this order. Next, we're going to be writing out a few of these. It looks like last month, an online bookstore had approximately 10 to the 5th visitors to its website. On average, each visitor bought 2 books. Approximately how many books did the bookstore sell? So the first thing I need to find out is how many visitors there are. This is 10 to the 5th. They each bought 2 books. So I'm going to come down here and solve this. 10 to the 5th power. It really, find the values of numbers with exponents. So that's really 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. And there's a little trick because they're all 10s. If I take my calculator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they had 100,000 visitors. And then 2 times 100,000 is 200,000 books bought that much. Okay. Why are the order of operations necessary? Well, for people to get the same answer. All over the world, the same order of operations has to be followed. Okay, so I'm going to do the share and show at this time since it's a short video, and then I'll be back. 9 plus 5 to the second minus 10. So within the parentheses, I have an exponent. So I'm starting in parentheses, but I've got to first do that. That's 25. Now I have to complete the parentheses. 9 plus 15, 24. So if I have parentheses, I have to complete what's in there first. Come down here. Remember, parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division, addition or subtraction, whichever comes first, going left to right. Okay, so down here I have an exponent first, so it's 6 plus 3 times 3 times 3 is 27 divided by 9. 6 plus 27 divided by 9 is 3. Final answer there is 9. Okay, here I have some exponents I got to do first, some parentheses. 15 minus 3 is 12. Now I bring in the exponent. 12 to the second power is 144 divided by 9. 144 divided by 9, if I take my calculator, that comes out to 16. So I had to first do this, then bring the exponent down, then do the exponent, then divide. Okay, so here inside the parentheses, I have that 9 that needs to be done first. 9 to the second power is 81 minus 4 times 10. Then I have this that I got to complete. 8 plus 81 is 89 minus 4 times 10. Now I have to go left to right and look for multiplication or division. So here I have some multiplication. 89 minus 40, 49. Okay.